Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new BitCoin wallet. So I've downloaded and installed Bitcoin Core on my machine here, and when you first launch it, it is going to sync up. Uh, I don't know if you want to do it. I think there's an option if you want it to sync as a full node, or if you just want it to do like a light version of it. I went ahead and did full. So depending on the type of machine that you have and your network bandwidth, it may take you a couple days to download the full history. But once it's done, you'll be presented with this window, and it's all online here. Let's see. Yeah, up to date. You'll see if you hover over this icon, it'll tell you how many blocks it's processed and if it's up to date. So we're online. So let me go ahead and go to File, and I want to create a wallet. I'll just call it. Let's call it April 2020, and I want to encrypt the wallet. Um, I'm not sure if I need to make a blank wallet. Uh, I'll leave that unchecked, but I will encrypt it. Always encrypt your wallet. Alright, so now it's asking for a phrase for this wallet. So let me see here. Passphrase. Da, 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 da. There is a website here that you can use to create. Uh, go to. So on this website, you can ask it, okay, how many words you want, the minimum word length, maximum word length, and if you want it to capitalize first letter uh, or randomly capitalize letters. I think I'll leave that as is. Length of numbers between words. Um, yeah, I guess two is fine. I'm gonna go with let's go with 5 words. Word length. Let's go with five. Yeah. Five, five, 8, and then 2. So we'll go ahead and generate that. All right. So went ahead and got my passphrase here. I'm gonna hit OK. Um, and there's a warning saying, "Hey, don't lose your passphrase, or you lose your wallet." So are you sure you want to encrypt? We'll hit encrypt, and it says, "Hey, your wallet's about to be encrypted." Um, and that this may not fully protect it from malware, but whatever. All right, we've got an encrypted wallet here, default wallet. Perfect. So there's our wallet, and I will see if I can send some funds to it. Be right back. Okay, so to begin receiving funds into our wallet here, um, you are going to click on receive here, and then this is just going to be a label. I'm going to say April 2nd, 2020, maybe. I guess it's just some way for it to understand what it's coming as, um, to tag it a certain way. And I want to send, how much Bitcoin do I want to send? I want to receive 0.0290 BTC. That's what I'm requesting. Blah 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 blah. Actually, I don't think you even need to fill. Oh yeah, these fields are optional. Let's just clear this. I don't think you need to fill that out. Um, you just need to create a new receiving address. Perfect. There is my receiving address. So, alright, so I have my receiving address here. So let's go ahead and send. Let's go click here. We're gonna send to this address here. I'm gonna send everything. Send to max. Do it April 2nd, 2020. And bear with me here. I'm making sure I send the right amount. Let's go send max, blah blah blah. Got it. Continue. And then I need not too steep. Alright, cool. So it should be on the way. Let's go back to overview and we'll wait for it. Depending on how busy the network is. Boom! There it is. Look at that. Came in. It's pending. But there's my 0.02902731 Bitcoin. So hopefully that gives you an idea. It's gonna stay pending until it gets confirmed throughout the network, whatever, and then it'll show up as available. And the pending, I really don't know how long that takes. Depends on the network. But once you've got this pending, you should be pretty much good to go. But hope that gives you guys a brief walkthrough on how to get your desktop wallet, get some Bitcoin into your desktop wallet. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Hope you can like, share, and subscribe it. And I guess I'll see you guys later.